GB Filo Pastry. Table number 21. Moki serves very good food, you know. That's what I believe in. And we always have specials on our menu. Always have specials. And we also customize the menu for people. If you give us the time and we have the ingredients, we do it for you. As simple as that. End of the day, we look for people to have a good time in Moki. That's what Moki is all about: food, fun and destination.
Moki is a sweet, it's a very cozy, sophisticated place. I like the ambience. It's something I would come to hang out with these guys, and I like the dancing, I like the music.
So you get to try stuff which is not generally available in other restaurants. So the food and even the ambience is very good.
Whether it's Delhi crowd or a Bangalore crowd or a Maharashtrian crowd or whoever it is, एक बार आया बस अगली बार पक्का आता है. Goan तो regular है.